China. Right now I'm at the airport, just about to go to Xinjiang by plane. Actually, I've never been to Xinjiang, so it's kind of like a mysterious place to me. I'm in Urumqi right now after 5 hours flight. Yes.
The most interesting part about Xinjiang is that people dance everywhere as long as there is music, no matter if it's in a traditional bazaar or a modern shopping mall. Xinjiang International Grand Bazaar is the largest bazaar in the world and is seen as an iconic building in Xinjiang. Walking into the bazaar, you can see weird girls dancing and singing, tourists playing the tambourine, and various small accessories and ornaments displayed for sale.
Which one is better? I love this. Naan bread, a kind of crusty pancake, is one of the most popular foods of all ethnic groups in Xinjiang. I just saw a local chef making the naan bread, and he can throw the naan at the ceiling with a high roar, which is really impressive.
Because naan bread is carb heavy, it's great for providing a quick hit of energy. The main ingredients used are the flours of wheat, rye, buckwheat, or corn. Sometimes sesame seeds are sprinkled on top of the bread. Naan bread is very popular among the ethnic minorities of Xinjiang, who view it as an indispensable daily staple.
I just landed in Kuala.
Located in the south of Xinjiang, Kola is famous for pears and has a reputation for hospitality.
I'm trying to make naan bread.
Although this dough has been kneaded, I still have a lot of things to do. I need to use a naan needle to press patterns onto the dough. After that, I need to put the dough into a tandle to bake.
Bosten Lake is the largest inland freshwater river in China. The name of Bosten means oasis in wild language.
As the temperature drops in winter, ice forms on top of Bosten Lake. Now there is a thick layer of ice on top of the lake that's safe to walk on.
This place is known for its clean water and superior fish. There are 33 species of fish in the lake, such as grass carp, chub, and snakehead.
Let's go winter fishing! Fortunately, the local fishermen cast their fishing nets yesterday, so all we need to do today is punch holes in the ice, pull the nets out, and retrieve the catch.
We're about to go get more fishes on the second. Oh, let's go.
I have never fished on ice. I was really scared of falling into the lake while cutting the ice. Soon, however, I found that I was worrying too much. That said, it's not easy to dig an ice hole with an ice gun. The different fishing nets are used to catch different types of fish. We're fishing with an 8-meter net to catch crucian carps.
We're going to cook our fish hot pot here in Bosten Lake now with the water from the lake. This is so new to me because I've never cooked food by the lake. So this is the fish we just caught, and this is the fish soup we just made by the lake. The soup tastes super fresh with a little spicy. It's really tasty. Yeah. I love it.
你知道我们为啥要反着穿啊？
很有
你要
感觉。
你要是正着穿啊，它容易打湿，打湿以后啊，它就结冰了。结冰很不方便。它这样反过来啊，它这个毛毛它不容易结冰。是我们先辈们总结出来的。
I'm on the tour tower of Bosten Lake. As you can see, there is a golden beach on the ice. Actually, in addition to its fishery resources, Bosten Lake has an abundance of reeds.
Check this reeds out. It's called lue in Chinese.
In Xinjiang, such reeds can be found everywhere on the road or on the Gobi Desert.
There are many ecological values of lue, such as regulating the climate, conserving water and soil resources, breaking wind and fixing sands, purifying air, etc., have been utilized by the society freely. I'm at the Mongolian style park. As you can see, there are a lot of ladies. They are wearing their traditional costume, really classic and really fancy. So this is for married women. They can wear hat like this one. 啊，这个好漂亮呀！好看吗？
嫁人了啊！
这个是结婚的帽子呀。
这个是不结。
你是要结婚吗？来看新娘把婚都结了。那是真心的。好看吗？好看，真的很好看。Are you sure?
After listening to locals playing traditional songs on the top shore, a local folk instrument, people of all ages danced to the music, accompanied by applause and laughter of those around them. Their confidence and elegance fascinated me. I even danced with a Mongolian lady to the rhythmic music. What a wonderful place! It was an unforgettable experience. The most unique part of Xinjiang is its diversity. You can experience not only the life of different ethnic minorities here, but also enjoying views of deserts, ice-covered lakes, and golden reeds. It's hard to say goodbye to this magical place, but I know that I will come back. Xinjiang, see you next time!